Hey, this is Mr. Coker with Geometry Lesson 2.6, Exterior Angle Theorem. So before we get started on the example, I'm going to work through one example. I want to remind you of a couple of things that we've seen in the past, we've talked about in previous videos. One is the angle sum theorem. So if we have any triangle, the total degrees of the three angles always equals 180. So every triangle has a total of 180 degrees. The second one is when we have consecutive angles. So if we have a line and it's intersected by another line, is the two in, we have this line that's in black and another black line intersecting it. We create consecutive angles. I drew in blue to point to the two angles. Those total 180 degrees. Remember those two because if we put those together, we can come up with the exterior angle theorem. The exterior angle theorem says that if we have a triangle and we have an exterior angle, that exterior angle is equal to the two opposite angles. So it's equal to the two opposite angles. And I put a 1 and 2 just as numbering the angles. Those are not measurements. Want to be clear so no one is confused. So I labeled them angle 1 and angle 2. The exterior angle is equal to both of those added together. That works because the total number of degrees inside the angle is 180, and the exterior plus this angle, the consecutive angle, also equals 180. Therefore, exterior is the same or equals the sum of these two angles. So let's see how that works in practice. I'm going to do one example. I have this red triangle, and the first thing we want to look at is what is the measurement outside the triangle. Outside the triangle, I have a measurement of 110 degrees. And now I'm going to set that equal, put my equal sign, and put it equal to both of the other angles. They're opposite, which is 50. And in this case, I put X. So that's what we're going to find. 110, the exterior angle, equals 50 plus X. Hopefully you can recognize this as a very easy one-step equation in which we solve for X. We would take 50, draw a line down the middle of the equal sign, minus 50 on each side, and 110 minus 50, of course, equals 60. We would have X is equal to 60, or 60 degrees. You'll often see, sorry, filming a little late tonight. Sorry for the yawns. But you'll often see this written where we might have more X's. We could have something like 110 plus X. We could have X plus 10. We could have any number of different combinations or ways of doing things, ways of setting up the problem. I made a very easy one. But no matter how complicated the problem might be at different times, it's always a very simple process. Exterior angle equals the sum of the two opposite angles. And then you can solve an equation. So, exterior angle theorem, hopefully, is pretty simple. And that's all I've got for you on this one. Thanks for watching and have a good night.